Hello children, now we will study about the fundamental concept. In this chapter fundamental concept, see this chapter is related to the algebra. See now, algebra is a generalized form of the arithmetic. In arithmetic, generally we uses the numbers such as 3, -8, 0.63, etc. etc. Each of which has the some definite value. Okay, here these numbers have the definite value, whereas in algebra we uses the some letters. For example, 5x, see 3x minus 4, 7a plus b, 3y minus 5x, x plus 3y, x plus 3y minus 9z, etc. etc. These are the terms. Here when we don't know the values, that time we are using the letters and numbers. So this is used in algebra. Okay, this we have to study in this fundamental concept. See fundamental concept, see now here 5x, 5x, see the second one 3x minus 4. This is a one expression, 3x minus 4. In this, which letter is used, which is known as the variable. See 3x minus 4, 4, see here 3x minus 4. In this expression x is the variable, and which is in multiply with that variable or in divide. See 3 is in multiply with the x, 3x means 3 into x, 3 is the coefficient, and which comes separately minus 4, this is the constant, it is called as constant. We can see it is called as a expression. Got it now? 3x minus 4, this is the very good example. X is the variable, 3 is the coefficient, because 3 is in multiply with the x. Sometime it is in divide also, so that is also coefficient. So 3 is the coefficient, and minus 4 which numbers come separately, which is known as the constant. Now see here we must have to identify the terms. See now here 5x, this is only one term. See 3x minus 4, here are the two terms, 3x is the one term and 4 is the another one term. See terms are separated by plus or minus sign. Terms are separated by plus or minus sign, not by divide and multiply. We are not going to consider divide and multiply sign. See second one, next one, 7a plus b. Here are also two terms, 7a is the one term, b is the another one term. 3y minus 5x, 3y is the one term and 5x is the second another one term. So here are the two terms. See here x, last one, x plus 3y minus 9z. Here are the three terms are there. X is the one term, 3y is the another one term, and 9z is another one term. So x plus 3y minus 9z. So here are the three terms. See depend on the terms. If only one terms are there, which is known as the monomial. See 5x, this is the monomial. See 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4, this is the binomial because two terms are there. And see this is the one example, x plus 3y minus 9z. Here are the three terms are there, so it is called as the trinomial. Got it now? So in fundamental concept we are using the some signs and symbols. In algebra the signs plus, minus, multiply and divide are used with the same meaning as in arithmetic. How we are using in arithmetic these signs plus, minus, multiply and divide, same way here also we are using the these signs in algebra also. See now here are also we are using the some different symbols, equal, not equal, less than, not less than, see greater than or not greater than, therefore, three dots mean therefore. Okay, another one, another three dots are there, this is because, difference between, see, then means implies that. These are the some symbol also we are using here. See now here we will see here another one very important thing, we have to write the statement to the algebraic form. whatever statement we have to given, we must know how to write the statement to the algebraic form. See, we will see the one example. X subtracted from 6 is less than y. X subtracted from 6 is less than y. So what is subtracted? X is subtracted from 6. So 6 minus x is less than y, like that. So this is, we have converted statement form to the algebraic form. Here we have converted statement form to the algebraic form. Same way we can write this reverse also. If we have to given the algebraic form, same example, 6 minus x is less than y, or you can write it is like that also. X is subtracted from 6 is less than y. You can write it in the another way also. 6 minus x is less than y, like that also you can write. So like that we can convert statement form to the algebraic form and algebraic form to the statement form. Got it now?